Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, hi, I'm Dr. Poonam Vaidya. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about Skin Food Egg White Pore Mask. If you have an oily skin or combination skin, clay masks are a great way to freshen up your skin immediately. Skin Food is a Korean brand which is famous for its rice wash of mask, their sugar scrub, as well as their egg white pore mask. In their range, I've tried their egg white pore mask as well as rice wash of mask. Some people use egg whites in order to minimize the appearance of their pores, as it can produce some kind of temporary effects which will help in reducing sebum production as well as giving a smoother appearance to the skin. They are rich in amino acids as well as vitamins, which helps in nourishing as well as tightening the skin. Now coming to the product details one by one. So this 125 grams of tub packaging retails for 790 rupees and the shelf life after opening is 12 months. This pore refining mask is made up of egg white extract, that is albumin, which helps in removing excess sebum from the skin. When the pores are clear, it attracts less dirt as well as it helps in giving a smoother finish to the skin. Now the product contains ingredients like water, then titanium dioxide, albumin extract, glycerine, bentonite, kaolin, then glyceryl stearate. It also contains the silica, palmitic acid, stearic acid, olive oil, polyvinyl alcohol, polysorbate, as well as potassium hydroxide. The texture of this mask is really creamy and clay-like, and it spreads really easily on the skin without any fuss. So what I do, I just take a generous amount of this mask, apply on my cleansed face, leave it for 10 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. This mask also contains denatured alcohol, so I won't recommend using it every day as it can over dry your skin. But it will work really well if you want to use it 2 to 3 times a week. Once the mask starts drying up, it gives a tight feeling to the skin. When I wash it with lukewarm water, my pores appear smaller in size as well as I see a little bit brightening on my face. It's mainly because it is a clay mask, and kaolin and bentonite are also present in this mask, which will help in reducing excess sebum production, which will freshen up your face immediately. It does not give any kind of excessive dry or stretchy feeling to the skin. After washing off this mask, you can apply your serums as well as creams, whatever you are applying in your skincare routine. The mask also contains glycerine as well as olive oil, which will help in reducing excessive dryness that may be caused because of the other ingredients that are present in this mask. Regarding my experience with this egg white pore mask, so I do love to apply mask on my skin. It is a good mask to freshen up your skin if your skin is looking really dull as well as very oily. Regarding its effect on shrinking of the pores, so it has a very temporary effect on them. I mean, it is a mask. I don't expect much results from a face mask because it is in contact with the skin for a very short period of time, and all the masks show very temporary results. If you want to go for some kind of permanent solution, you can apply various kinds of serums, or there are different kinds of medical treatments which are available at the dermatologist clinic. For me, if a clay mask is giving fresh skin for a few hours, it is good enough for me, as only a little bit of product is required for each application, so this 125 grams of tub will last long. Overall saying, it's not a must-have product in your skincare routine, but yes, if you do love masking and you want to try out different kind of face mask for your skin, you can try this one out. It is very good. So this is all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. You can also connect with me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, bye.